Class 9, let's start with Act 1, Scene 3. Fine. Earlier we read that Bassanio came to Shylock to ask for the money because Antonio was not having the ready cash, and Shylock, when he came to know that Antonio is the guarantor, he was ready to give the money. Then he speaks some of the reasons why he hate Antonio. First, because he is a Christian, but more than that, because Antonio, because of his simple nature, he lends money without charging interest, and by doing so he is bringing down the rate of interest in Venice. And the third reason why Shylock hates Antonio is that Antonio scolds him. He speaks ill of him in the place where the merchants gathered. Clear? And he abuses him, his business and his interest taking. So he was lost in his thoughts. So Bassanio asked Shylock, "Do you hear?" Shylock, "I am debating on my present store, and by the near guess of my memory, I cannot instantly raise up the gross of full 3,000 ducats. What of that? Tubal, a wealthy Hebrew of my tribe, will furnish me. But soft, how many months do you desire?" To Antonio, "Rest you fair, good Signor, your worship was the last man in our mouth." So Shylock replied, he said, "I am debating of my present store." I am thinking in my mind the amount of money which I have in cash at present, and by the near guess of my memory, I cannot instantly raise up the gross of full 3,000 ducats. And by using my memory and guessing the approximate amount which I have, I find that I cannot instantly raise the full sum of 3,000 ducats. With the cash I am having, that is not that cannot raise the full amount of 3,000 ducats. But what of that? But it doesn't matter. Tubal is Shylock's friend. He is another Jew. Tubal, a wealthy Hebrew of my tribe, will furnish me. But it doesn't matter. Tubal was a wealthy Jew. Hebrew means Jew. Yeah. A wealthy member of the Jewish tribe. He will provide me with money. He will give me the money. But soft, how many months do you want it? But wait a little, I forgot. For how many months do you want the money? Then suddenly he turned to Antonio and started talking to Antonio. Rest you fair, good Signor. So may you enjoy good health and prosperity. Good Signor. Signor means Mr. Your worship was the last man in our mouth. Your worship was the last man in your mouth. We were just talking about you when you came. Okay. Antonio, Shylock, albeit I neither lend nor borrow, by taking nor by giving of excess, yet to supply the ripe want of my friend, I will break a custom. So Antonio said, Shylock, albeit means though, although, I neither lend nor borrow, by taking nor by giving of excess. He said, Shylock, though I neither lend money nor borrow money on interest. Nor taking nor by giving of excess means interest. Neither I lend money nor I borrow money on interest. Yet to supply the ripe want of my friend, I will break a custom. Yet to meet the urgent need of my friend, clear, I am ready to break the custom which I always followed. I am ready to break the custom of not borrowing the money on interest. Then he said to Bassanio, is he yet puzzled how much he would? Then he asked Bassanio, have you informed him how much amount of money do you want? Shylock, 3,000 ducats. Shylock answers, yes, he has told me he needs 3,000 ducats. Antonio, and for 3 months? And the money is wanted for the period of 3 months. Shylock, oh, I had forgot. 3 months. You told me so. Shylock said, oh, I had forgotten the period of 3 months. He turned to Bassanio and said, you told me that you needed the money for 3 months. Well, then you're born, let me see, but here you, methought you said you neither lend nor borrow upon advantage. Then he turned to Antonio and said, well, then you're born, so well, that you are to stand surety for this loan. You will be the guarantor for this loan. And let me see, but here you, let me see, But just listen to me. Me thought you said you neither lend nor borrow upon advantage. Now, I thought you have just said that you neither lend money nor borrow money on interest. Right? So children, revise it till here. Rest we will do tomorrow. Any problem you are having, you can ask. Thank you.